Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can practice versant style audio test. This video helps to improve your listening skills, crack the interviews. Rules are you need to listen to the audio sentences in the video and then repeat the sentences without any tension. This makes to improve your listening skills. Make sure that if you want to stop the practice session, then just pause the video. Thank you.
He got too tired because of overwork.
My friend has got a new job.
He wants to get a better job and earn more money.
A recent survey identified the UK as the most expensive place in Europe to buy a car.
Managers who are ambitious are success-oriented managers.
We suffered from your neglect. We suffered from your neglect.
The public are cautioned against pickpockets. The public are cautioned against pickpockets. This is a matter of little importance.
Walk on until you come to the gate. Walk on until you come to the gate. As I was going to school, I met an old friend of mine.